Hi! One of the most common requests we get as organizers is, what do I do with all the papers coming into my house? I have piles everywhere. Are you a piler or a filer? As you would maybe imagine, I myself am a filer. I love filing. So I wanted to show you how I file my papers and another suggestion of what I recommend to other people for what they do with their papers as soon as they come in the house. So this is what my desk looks like most of the time. I like to keep a nice neat surface with minimal papers on it. The only papers I have there are for active reference or things that require action. In this file drawer is where I keep personal or household folders. So things related to our cars, finances, health, house, receipts, pets, taxes, all that stuff goes in here. And on the left side, this is more business stuff. So for each of the different partners that I have, finances, insurance, all that stuff. So the folders that I keep up here in my office are more recent items or things that I may need to reference more often. But then I have older archival files and taxes that I keep in a box in the basement. So I just wanted to check in and see how my amount of paper compares to yours. I would imagine that your family might have more paper, so I just wanted to ask. So we don't have a lot of paper in this household just because we love putting everything online. We're a very digital friendly family, and that is an entirely different episode that I'll show you another time, how I organize things online. So for any of you who are asking what to do with the mountains of paper, the huge stacks of paper coming in your door, I would recommend creating a mail sorting station, a paper sorting station for the first thing that greets you when you come in the door. So I put something together that would be similar to what I'd recommend to my clients. When creating a mail sorting station, it's best to go vertical. I've seen people with horizontal paper trays, and that just encourages more piles, and important papers get lost really easily. So if it's going to be sitting out, get a nice decorative box like this. This is from Target many years ago. But anything that goes vertical is going to be very helpful. And then I'll give you some examples of what the file folders could be. So the file names will vary by family and the types of papers coming in, but oftentimes what I'm recommending is, an action folder, an archive folder, bills, coupons, receipts, reference, and then shredding. Some people with families that, they have kids or, they need to send something to their mom on a regular basis, they'll have file folders dedicated to each of the family members as well. So that was just a really quick overview of how I organize papers in this house and how I often recommend that papers be organized in my clients' homes. If you want me to take a look at your filing system, feel free to send me some pictures or video, and I'd be happy to do a virtual consultation with you and make some personalized recommendations based on your family's paper needs. And next time I'll talk about digital files.